A kid's drawing tablet sparks creativity while making learning fun and mess-free. Designed with bright displays, easy controls, and durable builds, they're perfect for young artists. Here are the best 5 kids' drawing tablets that combine imagination, education, and entertainment in one smart device. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Homestec Astrodraw Kids Drawing Tablet. Imagination takes flight the moment this drawing tablet enters little hands. Designed with a captivating space theme, it invites kids to explore galaxies, rocket ships, planets, and every creative idea that comes to mind. With vibrant colors and a smooth LCD screen, each doodle feels alive, sparking curiosity and encouraging children to express themselves freely. From sketching imaginary worlds to practicing letters, numbers, and basic games like tic-tac-toe, this tablet transforms playtime into a fun, educational adventure that nurtures creativity and learning simultaneously. Safety is at the heart of its design. Crafted from premium BPA-free plastic with carefully rounded edges, the tablet is gentle on tiny fingers. The advanced LCD screen uses glare-free, blue light-free technology, ensuring a bright, safe, and comfortable drawing experience that protects young eyes while enhancing visual clarity. The sensing technology is responsive and precise, making every stroke of the stylus feel natural and satisfying. With the rocket button, children can erase the screen instantly, allowing endless possibilities for doodling without waste, promoting eco-friendly play that teaches both fun and responsibility. Portability and durability make it a perfect companion for travel and everyday adventures. Weighing only 130 grams and featuring a thin yet sturdy build, it easily fits into backpacks, car seats, or travel bags. The anti-loss stylus string ensures the pen is always within reach, and the rounded edges make it safe for use on the go. Whether it's a long road trip, a beach day, a school activity, or an airplane adventure, this tablet keeps children entertained while stimulating their imagination. The Astrodraw drawing tablet is more than just a toy. It's a tool for learning, creativity, and sensory development. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It can be shared among siblings and friends, offering endless hours of fun. Its educational elements, combined with playful design, help toddlers develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and a love for exploration. This compact, vibrant, and thoughtfully designed tablet gives children the freedom to create, erase, and recreate endlessly, making every day a colorful adventure. Pros: safe, portable, educational, durable. Cons: limited colors, small screen. Number 4. Spaseeba Kids Drawing Tablet. Creativity expands the moment this 19-inch LCD writing tablet is in little hands. Its large, vibrant screen invites kids to draw, doodle, and explore their imagination freely, turning everyday playtime into a colorful adventure. Whether sketching animals, practicing letters, or experimenting with shapes, the tablet encourages learning and artistic expression simultaneously. The multicolor handwriting adds excitement to every stroke, making each creation feel unique and alive. Children can erase and start again instantly, fostering endless opportunities for exploration and self-expression. Safety and convenience are built into every aspect of this tablet. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to withstand everyday use. The rounded edges ensure little fingers stay safe, while the soft-touch screen provides a smooth, responsive writing experience. It's powered by a CR2025 battery and easily recharged through a Type-C port, ensuring that kids can create continuously without interruption. Cleaning is simple with a soft cloth, making maintenance effortless for parents and children alike. Portability and practicality make this tablet ideal for home, school, or travel. Measuring 416 by 278 millimeters and weighing just 427 grams, it's easy to carry in a backpack or take along on road trips, plane rides, or outdoor adventures. Its large surface area gives children plenty of room to draw and write comfortably, helping improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, while keeping them engaged for hours. This writing tablet is more than just a toy. It's an educational tool that sparks curiosity, imagination, and learning. With its multicolor display, easy-to-use interface, and durable design, it supports creative development while providing endless fun. Perfect for gifts, classroom use, or quiet activities at home, it encourages children to explore, experiment, and express themselves fully. A colorful, practical, and safe creative tool, this LCD writing tablet transforms everyday doodling into an educational and imaginative experience. Children can enjoy limitless artistic possibilities wherever they go, making it an essential addition to any kid's learning and playtime toolkit. Pros: large screen, safe, portable, educational. Cons: battery-powered, limited storage. Number 3. Elite Office Kids Drawing Tablet. Creativity comes alive with this compact electronic writing tablet, designed to inspire kids to draw, doodle, and practice handwriting effortlessly. Its responsive LCD screen transforms every stroke into vivid, clear lines, making drawing, writing, and learning an interactive and fun experience. Children can explore letters, numbers, shapes, or create colorful art, developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while having endless creative fun. The tablet encourages imagination and self-expression, allowing kids to experiment freely and erase instantly for repeated practice without wasting paper. Built with safety and convenience in mind, the tablet is made from durable, child-friendly materials with smooth edges to protect tiny hands during play. Its lightweight design makes it easy for children to carry and use anywhere, whether at home, in school, or during travel. The simple, intuitive interface ensures that kids can start creating immediately without complicated setup or supervision. This makes it an ideal tool for fostering independent learning and artistic exploration. Portability is a major advantage. Available in 11-inch and 16-inch sizes, it provides options for personal use or collaborative drawing with friends and siblings. Its compact design fits easily into backpacks, making it perfect for car trips, classrooms, or quiet time at home. The battery-powered operation ensures long-lasting use, allowing children to draw, practice writing, or play educational games for extended periods without interruption. This digital graphic writing tablet goes beyond being a toy. It's a learning companion that nurtures creativity, imagination, and early educational development. Perfect as a gift for birthdays, school rewards, or special occasions, it supports artistic growth and cognitive skills in an engaging, hands-on way. Kids can enjoy endless hours of fun while developing skills that will benefit them in school and beyond. Lightweight, practical, and safe, this electronic writing tablet provides a versatile space for children to express themselves creatively, anytime, anywhere. It turns every doodle and handwriting practice session into an exciting, educational adventure. Pros: portable, safe, educational, interactive. Cons: battery-powered, small screen. Number 2. Tech Shiny Kids Drawing Tablet. Creativity and fun come together with this vibrant 10-inch LCD drawing tablet, designed especially for kids. Its colorful handwriting display makes every doodle, sketch, and note exciting, encouraging children to explore their imagination while learning letters, numbers, and shapes. The erasable screen allows endless creativity. Kids can draw, erase, and start over in seconds, making it a perfect tool for practicing handwriting, playing educational games, or simply letting their imagination run wild. Every stroke feels smooth and responsive, offering a satisfying drawing experience that keeps children engaged for hours. Safety and durability are top priorities. Constructed from sturdy ABS plastic and a reliable LCD screen, it's lightweight, yet strong enough to handle everyday play. The rounded edges protect little hands, while the lockable design ensures that children's creations can be saved and preserved when needed. The rounded edges protect little hands, while the lockable design ensures that children's creations can be saved and preserved when needed. With a compact size of just over 25 by 14 centimeters and a weight of only 260 grams, it's easy to carry in a backpack or hold comfortably for long drawing sessions. Its fun designs, bunny, dinosaur, and deer, add an extra layer of enjoyment that children will love. Portability and convenience make this tablet ideal for travel or on-the-go play. Powered by a long-lasting button battery, it can provide up to 12 months of continuous use, so kids can create anytime without interruption. Whether it's a car ride, a plane trip, or quiet time at home, This tablet keeps children entertained while helping them develop creativity, focus, and fine motor skills. Its simple interface makes it intuitive for preschoolers and toddlers, promoting independent learning and hands-on exploration. This drawing tablet is more than a toy. It's a learning companion that encourages artistic expression, cognitive development, and imagination. Perfect as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or back to school, it combines fun, education, and practicality in a single compact device. Children can explore endless possibilities and bring their ideas to life while enjoying hours of engaging activity. Lightweight, safe, and endlessly reusable, this 10-inch LCD drawing tablet gives children the freedom to create, learn, and play wherever they go, turning every doodle into a colorful adventure. Pros: portable, safe, educational, colorful. Cons: small screen. Number 1, and the winner is Junior Painter BR16 Kids Drawing Tablet. Creativity expands the moment this 16-inch LCD writing tablet is in little hands. Its large, vibrant screen invites children to draw, doodle, and practice handwriting freely, transforming playtime into a fun and educational adventure. With both monochrome and multicolored options, every stroke comes to life, making sketches, letters, numbers, and imaginative designs exciting and engaging. The flexible LCD panel responds smoothly to pressure, allowing kids to experiment with light or firm strokes, enhancing their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while having endless creative fun. Safety and durability are built into every aspect of this tablet. Made from sturdy ABS plastic with a flexible LCD screen, it's lightweight yet strong enough to withstand everyday use. Weighing just 280 grams, it's easy for children to hold and carry, while the compact design makes it perfect for home, school, or travel. The battery-powered operation ensures consistent performance, supporting up to 100,000 writing cycles, so kids can draw, erase, and start over countless times without worry. Its smooth edges and child-friendly design keep little hands safe during play. Portability and practicality make this tablet an ideal companion for creative exploration. Its size of 330 by 250 millimeters gives children plenty of room to draw and write comfortably, whether practicing letters, numbers, or creating imaginative art. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained during car rides, airplane trips, or quiet indoor activities. The simple interface allows children to start creating immediately, fostering independence and encouraging educational play. This LCD writing tablet is more than just a toy. It's a tool for learning, creativity, and self-expression. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or school rewards, it provides children with an engaging platform to explore art, practice handwriting, and develop cognitive skills in a fun, hands-on way. Large, colorful, and durable, this 16-inch LCD drawing tablet transforms every doodle and sketch into a learning opportunity, keeping children inspired and entertained wherever they go. Pros: large screen, durable, educational, portable. Cons: battery powered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.